Yeah, yeah. Oh, A1 technical engineering solution. Liberia, stand up. Everyone, yeah. From Monrovia city to every town. When the light goes off, we don't back down. Solar power shining every day. A1 bringing brighter way. Yeah. Cameras up, security tight, watching over you day and night. Peace of mind we guarantee. Top class service quality. No more darkness, no more fear. Clean energy is already here. From a proud Liberian hand, building power across the land. Let power up with A1. We bring the light when the day is done. Solar energy for everyone. A1, you get it dead and gates to secure your home, secure your zone. CCTV watching while you're gone. Trust the name, that's number one. A1, A1. Panels on the rooftop shining bright, charging up all through the night. No more fuel, no more stress. Clean and smart, we give you best. Oh, installation fast and clean. Best technicians you ever seen. From small homes to big estates, A1 never hesitates. Innovation is what we bring. Future power in everything. Liberian owned, standing tall. A1 is for us all. Let power up with A1. We bring the light when the day is done. Solar energy for everyone. A1, get done. Pricing, secure your home, secure your zone. CCTV watching while you're gone. Trust the name, that's number one. A1, A1. Rain or sunshine, we deliver strong solutions that last forever. From the streets to every home, you never have to stand alone. Call A1, make the switch. Clean energy within your reach. Step into the future now.